Hi, in this course, we're gonna learn Android development using the uh, Java programming language. So first, we're gonna start downloading our Android Studio. So go to the Google and just type in Android Studio, and you're gonna get the result over here. So this is the Android Studio, and if we go over here, the first link, you're gonna it will open to this page. So over here it says download Android Studio, and by time of the recording of this video, it's 3.2 for the Windows 64-bit, and as you guys see, it's a really big file. It's like 923 megabyte, so it's gonna take a time to download it. So you're just gonna press over here, and you're gonna say I agree to the terms, and just press the download, and you will gonna get the file, and you could just save it and wait it for to be downloaded. And after downloading it, all what you have to do, just install it and go step after step the installing process. It's easy, it's not that hard. And after installing it, you're gonna open up the Android Studio, and you're gonna come to a screen like this, which says Android Studio version 3.2. And over here we have few options like open existing project, check project from version control. So we're gonna go for the start a new Android Studio project, because we're gonna start a new project. So just press start a new, and over here you just give it any name you want, so my application or something like that. I'm just gonna keep it to default. So over here you put your domain name. So when you are publishing your app to the Google Play Store, then you're gonna need the domain name, but for now we're just gonna leave it this way. And over here is the project location. So I changed the default project location to my desktop, so you could change it to anything you want. So also over here we could have include the support for C++ or the Kotlin programming language, but in this course we are not going to do that. But if you're interested, you could also put the support for them. So just press next, and over here you're gonna put select the version of the Android version that you want. So basically the newer you get, the more features you have, but the less device is gonna support your version. So over here it says by targeting this, your app will run only on 1% of the devices, or less than 1% of the devices, which is the new version Android 9. Or if we go to the Oreo, you're gonna see that's only 6%. But in this course we're gonna just go with the ice cream sandwich, which is Android 4.0, which is that all of the devices are supported by this. So we're gonna just keep it. And over here you could have the option for the TV, if you have like making the app for the TV or for wearable object operating systems, then you could check that. And over here we're just gonna have the phone and tablet for this course. So just press next, and over here you could start by an activity. So maybe if you have building something related to the map, you just take this activity over here, or something similar to this or this. In this course we're gonna go with the basic empty activity, so let's go for it. And over here you name your activity. So we will keep it default. We're gonna name it main activity. And over here we have the layout name, which is the opposite of our activity name. So over here we have main activity, and this one is activity underscore main. So just press finish, and wait for the program to load. So you get a screen like this, which says welcome to Android Studio. So we are just gonna close it. So if you want to read the tutorial, go ahead. And over here we're gonna this is our screen. We're gonna come to the, as you guys see over here, it's the application is syncing. So after the syncing is finished, as you guys see, it says okay, everything is okay. So you're gonna press the project over here and open project, and over here we have some few options. Now what we concerned about is for now we're gonna go to the Java over here, and then as you guys see over here, our my application, we're just gonna open this one, and here we have our main activity, and this is the place that we're gonna write our code. And we also, what we're gonna need also the activity main, which we have created. And to find that, we go to this folder, go to the layout, and you see over here our activity main.xml. So if we open this, you guys see this is our application. So this is like a visual for our application that we are designing. It's kind of like you have a mobile phone in front of you. So this is the visuals that you can see, and over here you have different options. You could go, we have like now Nexus 4, maybe you go to the Galaxy Nexus, or different screens, bigger screens or smaller ones, like this one over here is. So even you could go to the TV, bigger screen. So that's the way we're gonna visualize our app. And if we, let's suppose that we write our app and created few projects and we ready to run our project, all what you have to do, just press the Shift F10, or just come over here and press this green button, and over here as you guys see, it's gonna say initializing ADB. So as you guys see over here, I have available virtual devices is Nexus 5X. In the first time you're gonna run this screen, you are not gonna get this. You are not gonna have the Nexus. It's gonna say it's empty. So to create a new virtual device, you're gonna come here and you're gonna choose whichever device you like. So I will just go with the basic, which is Nexus 5X, or the default. So you could choose another device if you want. So I will go with the Nexus as we said. So I already have it installed, so I will just press OK, and the program will, the phone will run in a few seconds, as you guys see over here. So this is it's kind of, you have the phone in front of you. It's kind of like to visualize your app, but right now we don't have any code written to it. So it's still running. So yeah, this is the way to install the Android Studio. Right now we don't have anything in this program, so we don't need to keep it open. But this is the way to install the Android Studio and start the first step in Android development. Thank you for watching this video.